Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive along King Street in Toronto, Ontario, where history, culture, and modern urban life come together to create a vibrant and dynamic experience. King Street is one of the city's major east-west thoroughfares, running through the heart of downtown Toronto and offering a glimpse into the city's rich past and bustling present. King Street has been a central part of Toronto's landscape since the city's early days. Originally known as Lot Street, King Street was one of the first streets laid out in the 18th century when Toronto was still the town of York. Over the years, it has evolved into a bustling corridor that reflects the city's growth and transformation. As we drive along King Street, you'll notice the impressive architecture that lines the street, with a mix of historic buildings and modern skyscrapers. This area is home to some of Toronto's most iconic theatres, including the Royal Alexandra Theatre and the Princess of Wales Theatre. These venues are a testament to the city's vibrant arts scene and host a variety of performances. From Broadway shows to local productions, you'll also encounter the Entertainment District, a lively area known for its nightlife, restaurants, and entertainment venues. King Street is a popular destination for dining and nightlife, with a wide array of restaurants, bars, and clubs that cater to all tastes and preferences. This area comes alive in the evenings, offering a vibrant and energetic atmosphere. The drive along King Street is a journey through the heart of Toronto, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and urban energy. From the historic architecture and cultural landmarks to the bustling business district and vibrant entertainment scene, King Street is a microcosm of the city's dynamic and multifaceted identity. Thanks for watching!